welcome to our lesson on Euclidean geometry. We're going to look at the angle in the semicircle or angle subtended by diameter. Do you remember what a semicircle is? The line diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. If you check this line here, this line AB, it is diameter from the circumference through the center to the circumference. That's diameter. It divides a circle into two equal parts, so it divides the circle into semicircles. So we're saying this is an angle in the semicircle, right? So we're going to use our theorem that we talked about in the previous lesson. We said that an angle subtended by an arc at the center is 2 times the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference. Do you remember that? We can apply that in this situation here, and we can see that an angle subtended by diameter is 90 degrees, okay? Or an angle subtended by, I said an angle subtended by diameter is 90 degrees, or an angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. This angle here is an angle on a straight line. This is 180 degrees. Do you see that? This is 180 degrees because it's an angle on a straight line. So this one must be half of 180 degrees. So meaning that it is going to be 90 degrees. So that's why an angle in the semicircle is what? Is 90 degrees. Or an angle subtended by diameter is 90 degrees. Don't forget that, learners. Don't forget that. And then the reason we say angle in semicircle. That is enough. Okay. An angle in semicircle, which is equal to 90 degrees. Don't forget that. And then you can say angle in half a circle is still acceptable. You can use that as your reason. But the most common one is this one. Okay. That's the most common one there. Right. Okay. Right. Even diameter subtends. Okay. Subtends right angle. Okay. Diameter subtends right angle. Diameter subtends right angle there. Right. Now there's the converse theorem. What does it say? Right. The theorem says an angle subtended by diameter at the circumference of a circle is 90 degrees. Therefore, if an angle is subtended by the line, by a chord, okay, and then that angle is 90 degrees, then that chord is the diameter. Remember, diameter is a special type of a chord. Okay, diameter is a chord. Remember that? It's a special type of a chord. So the converse says if the angle subtended by a chord at the circumference, okay, of the circle is 90 degrees, then what? Then the chord is a diameter. Okay, right, you must know that. That's the convex theorem, okay? Right, the reason you can write here is a convex angle in the semicircle. Okay, right, I want us to apply what we have learned so far and try to solve this question. Given a circle ABC, O is the center, and AOC is 104 degrees, calculate the size of angle X and then the size of angle Y. I want you to try this. You can pause the lesson and you try this, and then after a few minutes, you mark your work. I'm going to show you after a few minutes. Just pause the video for now. Right, welcome back, learners. What did you do? Right, we're told that O is the center. O is the center. So now it means OA is equals to OB is equals to OC. So these are radii, OA, OB, and OC. So it meaning that this angle and this angle are going to be equal because these are angles opposite equal sides. If you check triangle, let me just draw the triangle here for you. This triangle AOB is what? It is an isosceles triangle if you check. That's an isosceles triangle. So it means angle A is also X. Right. So we can say that OA is equals to OB. Why are they equal? Because they are what? Radii. They are radii. Okay, and then since they're equal, then angle A is equals to x. Why are we saying that? Angles opposite equal sides. Okay, right, angles opposite equal sides. Now we can use this triangle AOB. Those are angles in a triangle. The triangle, angle A, angle O there, let me call it O1, and then let's call this one B1. So angle A, angle O1, angle B1. If you add them, they must give us 180 degrees because these are angles in a triangle. So we can say 104 degrees plus, okay, this x here for A, the x there, plus this x for angle B1 there, okay, is equals to 180 degrees. Why are we saying that? This is angle sum in triangle. Angle sum in triangle. Now we can say this is 104 degrees plus 2x is equals to 180 degrees. You see that? Okay. Then we can subtract, transpose, bring 104 to the right hand side. So it's 2x is equals to 180 degrees minus 104 degrees. Okay, what is 180 minus 104 degrees? Okay, right, it should be 76, isn't it? So it means 2x is equals to 76 degrees. And then how do we get x here? We divide by 2, we divide by 2. Then x is equals to 38 degrees. You see that? So now x is equal to 38 degrees. We can write here, this is 38 degrees. This is also equals to x, so it's going to be 38 degrees there. So every information you must write on the diagram, okay? So we've managed to find our x. Let's go to the next question where we're going to find y. We're going to find y. Now we have x, right? Okay. The next part, we want to find y. We said x is 38 degrees. We managed to find that. This is also 38 degrees. So now, what can you say about not triangle? What can you say about angle ABC? What can you say? Angle ABC is 90 degrees. Do we agree? Why is it 90 degrees? This is an angle in a semicircle. This is an angle in a semicircle, or in an angle in a half a circle. So because it is subtended by diameter, it is subtended by diameter. This line AC there is diameter. So this angle must be, I want to draw to show the symbol of a 90 degree here. I'm not sure if it's going to be clear. I tried, it's fine. Right now, so it means now when we add x plus y, we must get what? 90 degrees. Okay, because this angle here is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. So if we say 38 plus y is equal to 90 degrees. And then what we do? We can transpose here or subtract 38 degrees on both sides of the equation. Okay, right. Transposing is faster. We don't need to do a lot of things. So this is 90 degrees minus 38 degrees. And then y is equals to what? What is 90 minus 38? 90 minus 40 is 50. And then 38 plus 2 there is 52 degrees. Okay, you see that? So this is 52 degrees. But use your calculator, learners. Use your calculator so that you don't lose marks unnecessarily. So we have found our y value and the x value. Okay, learners, we're going to meet in our next lesson. Thank you very much for joining me here. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and also you can send us information if you're interested in our extra lessons. Please send us your email to smarth.education@gmail.com, or you can visit our website www.smarth.education. You can visit our website there. You can get more information. Thank you very much. Let's meet in our next lesson.